Hi besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you apps that pay you to shop online. If this strikes like something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So please guys, if you are new to this channel, this is a side hustle by the way. So if you're new to this channel, please by all means go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and me too. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support to your girl right here on this channel. Just get right into it. So besties, have you heard of WeStock? Yes, WeStock app. WeStock has a variety of rebates available and semi-frequently have freebies. Yes. So guys, if you go on their website, they show some of their rebates. Yes, even though it's not all of them that they show, they give a lot more. And I always see a lot of their rebates on Facebook ads. So make sure that you go check it out. They pay through Venmo and PayPal. So guys, the next app on my list here is called My Bear Rebates. My Bear Rebates is a site that offers cashback for buying a variety of products. So depending on your state, purchases may or may not require you to purchase beer. Yes, many of them can be stacked and many of them non-alcohol offers. Yes, they can give you money to shop. And there are different sites out there that track rebates for these websites. But yes, I usually prefer this form since it usually has the most offers on one page. Please note, each offer has specific state cash outs. Rewards vary depending on the offer, but usually include prepaid visas and checks. Please note, many offers are good for the entire calendar year. Some of them have shorter deadline, but even if you just check once a year, you're bound to find a lot of offers. Trust me, there are a bunch of offers on it, so you don't want to miss it for anything. The next app on my list is called My Cooler. Guys, My Cooler is a loyalty reward program for Anose Botch. Yes, Anose Botch products. They give you cash back. Yes, and they also have a bunch of other offers that are available. Yes, and they run promotions frequently. Yes, for uploading just a photo of your golf score. You know, for the cash out, they give sweepstakes, merchandise, and so many rewards for specific orders. Now, the next app on my list is called Shop Along. Have you heard of Shop Along? Yes, Shop Along is an app where you can get paid to shop. Guys, Shop Along is a website that pays you to report your progress on an upcoming planned purchase. You haven't made the purchase yet, but you report your progress on it. Studies usually last for about a month, and yes, you can do a short survey. You might need to make a purchase during that time to share some of the information about your trip. The brands and the products that you choose are pretty loose. Yes, studies are available here, but please go ahead and check them out. They pay you through PayPal. The next app on my list is called Field Agents. Guys, Field Agents is an app that pays users to complete certain tasks. There are a lot of tasks like scanning barcodes, visiting stores, history shopping, and they also have tasks that pay you to buy certain products and answer a few questions about the products or leave an honest review. Sometimes there are jobs to test out an online checkout process for stores like Walmart or Little Caesars. There are so many types of jobs and they pay really well. They are available in United States, in the UK, in Australia, in Canada, in Ecuador, in Mexico, in South Africa, and Spain. Yes, the cash out is through direct deposit into your bank account. The next app on my list here is called Chop Today. Chop.today. Chop.today has various offers on various websites. So guys, they don't usually market themselves for users, but please make sure you check them out. Yes, so you will happen to find rebates for them on brand pages like Perfect Snacks. So guys, here are some of the apps that you should check out today. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you'll never be broke again. You will also agree with me that our expenses, in a lot of cases, our expenses are typically more than our income. So this is a way to make it rain into your bank account. No matter how small it is, it's an addition. The more you add money to your account, the better it is for you. So these are ways to just ensure that money is trickling into your account every single day. I mean, I'm at the point now, you know, I thank God for this, where I make it rain every day. Different sources of income, money is coming in through this place, money is coming through there, through that option and this option and disorder. That's why it's always good. This is 2024. You must have alternatives, so many sources of income. You can't rely on just one source of income. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can make money, by signing up on all of these apps and following through all the way till the end. So that is it, guys. Oh, I have a giveaway loading. So yes, I'm giving away $100 on this channel. Yes, and here is how you can enter for it. I'm gonna be selecting randomly. So all you need to do is this, guys. We have finally launched our Telegram community. So what you need to do is share the links to my Telegram community with your friends and village members, your family members, and yes, share with 50 of them. 50, just add 50 people to my Telegram community. I'm not asking you to share the link with 50 people. I'm asking you to add them. So you have to be sure that they have already added themselves into my Telegram channel. That way I can, you can get selected, and I'm going to send you the cash gift anywhere in the world. Please don't inflate the numbers. If you lie about the number of people that you've added into, I'll find out. If you lie about the number of people that you have successfully able to add into the group, once I find out, I'm going to disqualify you automatically. So please be truthful. If you have been able to add just 20 people, it's okay. If you've been able to add just 30 people, it's fine. Or even 16 people, or even 10 people, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I'm going to be picking people randomly. So go ahead and start sharing the link to my Telegram community with your friends and your family members. And that is it, guys, for today. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I will be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. So yes, if you're new to this channel, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. You think I'll forget? Introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and massive support. I see you. I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you. And yes, to all of my returning subscribers, you guys, thank you for all that you do. God bless you. And to all of my Patreon members, I see you. You see me. Guys, I want to say big thank you for joining my Patreon community. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community means you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to respond to you. I don't think I've introduced myself yet. Okay, my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you 3 videos every week. So make it a day to join your girl right here on this channel. And that is about it for today, guys. Just in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I am so proud of you. Please don't forget to share my Telegram channel link, and also do well to share this video with your friends. Share it on your community tabs, or your WhatsApp groups. Share it on Twitter. Just tell a friend that Mariam has got you guys covered. And do also check out my previous videos so that you are able to take advantage of all the opportunities I've shared in my previous videos as well as my subsequent videos. So make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I drop a new video. And that is it, guys, for today. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. God bless you. Bye, guys.